What's up, YouTube? It's your boy James back with another banger. And today I have a pair of Jordan 12 Indigos for you to check out, and we're going to review them a little bit. Before we get started, if you could do me a favor and please smash that like button for me. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video anytime I drop one. I post multiple videos every week. I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. So today is the release day for the Jordan 12 Indigos, and I was lucky enough to have a friend actually cop them because I took L's. And he's gonna let me review them for you, so shout out to my boy Khalil. But I'm not gonna waste any more time, let's get right into it. We're gonna start with the box, and guys, this box is fire. I really like what Jordan Brand's been doing as far as, giving us like just really awesome boxes. So on the top of the lid, you have your white Jumpman surrounded by the Indigo. And here it says, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. It says Jordan on the other side. And the size tag reads, Stone Blue, Legend Blue. And this is a size 9 and it retailed for $190. I have a feeling these things are gonna be fire. Alright, so starting off, you have your white wax paper here. And this comes with a card. And the card says, Jordan 12, the beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is amongst the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back to more than 6,000 years ago. No two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences. With time and use, the depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that's unique to you. Yo, these are so fire. These are so fire. As soon as I opened this box, I instantly felt that L all over again. These are fire, man. Like, I was kind of sleeping on these a little bit. Like, I wanted them, but I really wasn't that crazy about them. But yo, these are straight fire. Now, from that card that I just read, and feeling the material on this shoe, some of the pictures that I've seen on the internet, some look suede, some look leather. Now, this does feel like leather, but from what I've been told and what I've read, and what that card says that I just read to you, is that after you wear these for so long, over time, this leather is gonna turn into suede. Now, I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but that sounds really dope. And this material feels a lot different from the Jordan 12 University Golds. And I have that here, so let me compare that for a second. Oh yeah, night and day. I thought the quality on this was good, but this is so much nicer. And if it really does turn into suede over time, what a cool little feature on a shoe. The leather on these is more stiff. I mean, this is nice too, don't get me wrong. But this, fire. Alright guys, so let's take an up close look at these. Alright, so here's our up close look at the Jordan 12 Indigos. Now here you have that upper leather that turns into suede apparently. And guys, that is some very, very good material. It feels incredible. And then here at your toe box, you have your leather here. And then you have a very smooth leather right here in this part of the shoe. On the University Gold 12s, those were more like snakeskin material, but that's very, very smooth. And then on the midsole, you got that little bit of snakeskin kind of basketball material right there. Then it says Jumpman right there. Then you have that glossy blue. On the back of the shoe, you have your legend blue parts right here. You got your pull tab. And the 23 is that stone blue. And then it says Jordan, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Inside the shoe, you got that stone blue sock liner with that Jumpman right there, setting it off real nice. And here's the tag on the back of the tongue. Now these eyelets, they do appear to be chrome, but they're actually just plastic. But they do have a Jumpman on them. That's a nice little touch, I think. On the tongue, you have that leather / suede material. And guys, it really does feel like leather and suede. I mean, even on the upper part of the shoe and the tongue, when you touch it, it feels like leather and suede. I've never owned a shoe like this before or even came across anything like this. It's pretty cool, man. And then you have your rope laces that you have on all your standard Jordan 12s. With your 2-3 here, the bottom of the tongue. On the bottom of the shoe, you got that blue Jumpman with the number 23. And then you have these pods, and they do look black, but they're actually like a legend blue. And then you have your 6 carbon fiber cutouts there. They put a lot of detail into that, man. That's nice. And then here's your other pod. Overall, guys, this is a super nice shoe. I know this isn't an OG colorway or anything like that, but these are very, very close to the OG Obsidians that they had back in the day. So if you like that shoe, you're definitely going to like this. Or if you just like these colors in general, you're going to like this. Or if you just like Jordan 12s, period, you're going to like this. I slept on them, guys. I regret it. Congrats to everybody who caught dubs today. This is probably one of the best Jordan 12s to come out this year. You know, I'm kind of biased when it comes to the University Gold 12s, you know, because I'm a Steeler fan and everything. But man, I gotta tell you, like, these in hand are incredible. If you took an L on these and you're not sure if you still want to go get them on the resale market, I highly recommend you go buy these shoes. Let me know down in the comments section, did you catch an L today? Did you catch a dub? And what are your thoughts on the Jordan 12 Indigos? As always, I appreciate any and all support you guys are showing, and you guys have been showing a lot of support lately, so thank you. But before you go, if you could smash that like button for me, and if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop another fire video. I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And until next video, peace.